this is Tess with ROE Dental Lab, and I'm here to talk with you today about the world of digital dentures and how we're digital so you don't have to be. Today I'm here to talk about cost savings when it comes to digital dentures, whether you're analog or digital, and how you can still benefit from all the amenities that come with doing digital dentures and doing the same processes you've always used to. 3 key points go into the cost savings that are offered to you with our digital dentures. The first being investment by us as the lab and what's required by you as an office. Second being the chair time. We all know what a commodity chair time is in your practice and how big of a deal it is in your day-to-day, and how digital dentures can save you time in your office. And the third is materials and processes. What these dentures are being fabricated from and how it helps you save on cases. Those 3 key points that come into the cost savings that are passed on to you, let's kind of dive into each of them. So first being our investment as the lab. We've invested in 3D printers, CAD/CAM design technology, and milling machines to help minimize the in-lab time it takes us to fabricate these cases to return them quickly to you so you don't have to invest in it. Second is going to be chair time. We know what a commodity chair time is in our practice and sometimes how many appointments these dentures can take. That I had worked chairside, sometimes we'd go through 6, 7 appointments before we would finally get a patient's denture right, and then at the end of the day, we've spent so much chair time fabricating this case that we've now lost money on the case. So our goal is to pass on those cost savings to you and minimize those appointments by making it just 2 simple appointments to fabricate these dentures. We're going from bite block right to a final denture. A lot of times I get asked, well, what happens if I don't like the final denture? Because we're all so used to wax try-ins, and that's okay. I always let patients and doctors know the great news is at the second visit, you can either wear the denture home, or you can make changes to the denture, return it to ROE, and we complete what's called a reverse reset to the denture. And what that means is through the changes you indicated on the denture, we make modifications, reprint it, and return it to you for a fee. Kind of tying our third point in there is even with a reverse reset or without, you're still saving almost half the cost you would as a conventional denture is fabricated. So it's a huge benefit when it comes to how much you're making off these cases, what we can be charging patients, and how much time we're spending on these denture cases. We would love to talk more about the cost savings we offer with you. If you have more questions regarding how to fabricate these dentures, the materials, the processes, feel free to download our new book on our website that is a wealth of information when it comes to these cases. Or if you feel like I've seen enough of these videos and I'm ready to rock, I want to fabricate a case, feel free to call into our lab or follow us online if you'd like to stay in touch with the latest workflows, technology, and services. Thank you.